Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this small, everyday glass jar into a powerful, portable mini cooking stove. I need to prepare its surface for drilling, so I'm using sandpaper to lightly scuff the top. I'm marking 3 points on the lid, one in the exact center, and 2 smaller points equally spaced around it. These marks will guide my drilling, ensuring precise placement for the burner components. I'm using a conical drill bit to create a larger hole in the very center of the lid. This larger central hole is essential for housing the main wicking mechanism later on, allowing for a good fuel supply. After the center, I switch to a smaller drill bit to make the 2 surrounding holes. These smaller holes will be used to secure the copper wire element that forms the heating coil. I'm using this bicycle valve assembly, which usually comes with a rubber gasket. I carefully use scissors to cut the rubber off, as I only need the metal part for this project. I'm disassembling a metal valve to fit it onto a ceramic jar lid. This ensures a snug fit and proper sealing when it's placed through the lid. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I threaded the prepared metal valve through the hole in the center of the cap. I then secure it from the underside with a small metal washer and a nut, tightening it firmly with pliers to create a tight, stable connection. With the central component securely in place, I now attach the finished lid to the glass jar. This forms the main chamber for our fuel and the base for the burner element. Now, I'm taking a length of copper wire and carefully coiling it around the central part of the metal adapter. This coil will serve as a primary heating element and part of the wick holder, transferring heat efficiently. After coiling, I use pliers to refine the shape of the copper wire, ensuring it's evenly spaced and structurally sound. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I then bend these copper wire legs into a U shape. This specific form allows them to pass through the smaller holes I drilled earlier, acting as supports for the burner. I carefully thread the ends of the copper wire through the 2 smaller holes in the lid, positioning the coil directly above the central wick holder. This setup is crucial for concentrating the flame's heat. Next, I'm preparing a cotton wick. I'll secure a thinner wire around one end of the wick. This small wire helps to guide the wick through the coil and ensures it stays centered for optimal burning. It's time to add the fuel. I'm carefully pouring alcohol into the glass jar. Make sure not to overfill it. This alcohol will serve as our combustible fuel, drawn up by the wick to create a steady flame. For the cooking stand, I'm taking 3 long bolts with nuts. I'll use a strong wire to intricately wrap around these bolts, creating a stable triangular frame that will sit perfectly around our burner. This frame is designed to hold a cooking pot working directly over the flame. Once the wireframe is in place, I use a wrench to carefully tighten all the nuts on the bolts. This secures the structure, making it sturdy and safe to hold a cooking container. I'll also trim any excess wire for a clean finish. Now for the moment of truth. You can see the flame immediately catches, ready to heat. I place the finished alcohol burner into the center of the wire stand and light the wick. To demonstrate its cooking power, I've opened a can of tuna. This is a perfect test for a small, portable stove like this. You can use any canned food for a quick meal. I carefully place the open can of tuna on top of the wire stand, directly over the flame. The design ensures the heat is efficiently transferred to the can. Look at that. The tuna is quickly bubbling and heating up just like on a regular stovetop. This mini alcohol stove is incredibly effective and portable for camping, emergencies, or just a fun backyard cookout. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected things you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.